Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you a very simple inverter circuit made with just one transistor, one resistor, and a transformer. This inverter is based on a single NPN high-voltage fast-switching transistor, the MJE13003. This transistor is commonly used in switching power supplies and can handle high voltage with fast switching speed. A 220-ohm, 3-watt resistor is used to limit the current and stabilize the transistor operation. This resistor also helps protect the transistor from excessive current. The transformer not only steps up the voltage but also provides isolation. This circuit works as a self-oscillating inverter. The switching frequency is not fixed and depends on the transformer characteristics and transistor behavior. The output power can be estimated using this simple formula. P approximately equals V times I. The biggest advantage of this inverter is its simplicity. It uses very few components and is easy to understand for beginners. However, the efficiency is low, and the output waveform is far from a pure sine wave. So, this circuit is suitable for demonstration and learning, not for sensitive devices.